Hey guys, it's Rhonda with an opening video, and I think this is Kit's typewriter. We made it through Fort Knox. I hope it's okay and not damaged, because you would have thought they would have shipped Kit's typewriter in a box, not into soft package envelopes. I couldn't wait, you guys, for BEFOREVER. I saw Pleasant Company Kit's typewriter on eBay, and I had to get it. Oh my goodness. How cute is this? Of course, it's stuck to everything. So cute. The little, of course Bosley's in it. The little, keys work, and this goes back and forth. This did not come with the accessory kit, with the box of stationery and the newspapers, and I think it comes with a little eraser or something. Here's backspace, there's shift, and this one says margin. Here it is in place on Kit's desk. It looks so cute. It probably could be centered a little bit more. That way when the typewriter goes back and forth, it doesn't smash into the side. Super, super cute. I love it. Again, I heard rumors that BEFOREVER, they're going to actually sell or reintroduce Kit's typewriter. I'm curious to see if it's going to be the same, or maybe this is a plastic and metal combination. I wonder what the new one will be like, so I'm curious to see. But anyway, guys, I'm so excited. I finally got Kit's typewriter, and now Kit can write all her news stories like Mini Kit. So thanks for watching, and any questions, let me know. Bye-bye.